6 reasons unwavering belief in yourself improves your relationships. You probably already know how having an unwavering belief in yourself improves your work life, or even helps you be more confident in your everyday life. But were you aware of just how much having this kind of self-belief improves your relationships with others? Think about these things. You'll be more genuine. When we're unsure of ourselves, it's easy to adopt a persona, especially when we're around people we're hoping to impress. But how do others around you like the fake you? Sooner or later, the reality always comes out, and when it does, your partner will feel betrayed. Even in non-romantic relationships, trying to be something you're not is a sure recipe for disaster. You'll contribute more to the relationship. When you're unsure of yourself, you tend to let the other person make all the decisions or carry the weight of maintaining the relationship. While some people don't mind taking the lead, this does lead to an unbalanced relationship, which can even turn into codependency if you're not careful. The question is, do you want a caregiver or a partner? Confidence is sexy. Ask anyone what they notice first about a person, and the answer which comes up more often than any other is confidence. When you see someone who knows who they are comfortable in their own skin, and seem to have a clear view of where they're going, you're just drawn to them naturally. There's less baggage. People who believe in themselves don't need to carry the opinion of others around with them anymore. For example, if your ex put you down, you don't care because you know you're worth more than this. More importantly, confidence frees you up to fully enter into new relationships with others without those old expectations or negative emotions to trip you up. You'll argue less. If you get into a disagreement with your friend or lover, you'll be less apt to take things personally and more willing to work through the problem. An important bonus? You won't be so caught up in the other person's opinion of you to where you put up with abuse or leave the argument crushed and broken. People with unwavering self-belief know when to walk away from the fight altogether. You will be respected. Finally, when you have a strong sense of self-confidence, you have a strong feeling of self-respect, which goes along with it. When others see you treat yourself as worthy of this respect, they're more likely to treat you with respect as well. As a side note, relationships of every variety always work out best if you have a strong feeling of self-worth. The rest of the world already knows confident people are people worth knowing. Now, so are you.